Perhaps the biggest draw of affiliate marketing is not the money. Instead, for many people, the appeal lies in the fact that this is a completely passive business model. Once you've set everything up, such as your sales funnel, your affiliate network account, and your blog or sales page, you can literally be earning money while you're sleeping or while you're on holiday. But again, this can get twisted. This lifestyle is what you can achieve once you're at the top of your game as an affiliate marketer. It doesn't come overnight. In fact, affiliate marketing is likely to initially involve a lot of work. The idea here is that you put the work in up front so that you can sow the seeds of your labor further down the line. To begin with, you need to be willing to put in a lot of hours for very little reward. Specifically, then, what does affiliate marketing involve? If you're watching this video series, then there's a good chance you have a general idea, but we'll recap in a little more detail for those who do not. Essentially, as an affiliate marketer, you sell products for commission. This means you'll be finding products online and promoting them using your own affiliate link. If someone clicks on your link and then buys the product, you'll get a cut of the profit. Often, affiliate marketing involves selling digital products, and you can expect your cut to be as much as 50% all the way up to 75% of the recommended retail price. There's no risk involved for you because you're not creating the products, and there's nothing for you to ship or for you to store. All you have to do is sell, but you earn more than the creator. The hard part, though, is in doing that selling. And this is where the marketing part comes in. And your job from here is to find yourself a large audience through a blog, through an email campaign, through advertising, or through social media, whichever tool you find most effective. And this is why there's no steep learning curve or barrier to entry for beginners. All you're literally doing is making sure people see your affiliate link. There's no product creation and no investment. You can get started tomorrow in minutes and it won't cost you a penny. If you're a big blogger and you already have an audience of 10,000 readers a day, then you're going to find this very easy. All you need to do is put some very persuasive text on your website, along with the link, and you'll start driving traffic. If this is your first attempt at affiliate marketing, though, then you may well find this process a little more complex and a little more hard going. You now have two options: build your own audience or advertise. Actually, there are other methods and growth hacks which you can use, and we'll come to those later, but for now, this will suffice. If you're going to use the route of paid marketing, that means you're probably going to be using PPC. This is pay per click and basically means that you pay for every person who clicks on an ad and gets sent to your site. The more you pay, the more visitors you get. If you design your site well and can really convince people to buy your products, then you should be able to convert a predictable amount of visitors into buyers. This in turn means that you can work out your precise ROI. So if you pay a certain amount per visitor and N percentage of those visitors earn you X amount of money, you can tell whether or not your strategy is profitable. The amount you pay per click will depend on the amount of competition available for your ad. PPC ads work on a bidding system whereby the advertiser offering the most per click is the advertiser whose ad is most likely to show. Meanwhile, even if your website is very effective at convincing people to buy, you'll still only get between a half and 10% of visitors converting, and more often you'll be at the bottom end of that spectrum. So you'll need your ad to be seen by about 1,000 to 2,000 people in order for you to get a single sale, which means you'll be paying a relatively high amount for your ad to be seen 10,000 to 20,000 times for about 100 sales. This is a formula that takes a lot of adjusting, and you can expect to lose a certain amount of money before you get it right. With a good setup, you can expect to spend $600 a day on PPC and make about $200 profit. That's quite a big risk when you're first starting out, and for the first few months you'll probably be operating at a loss until you learn the right keywords to target, the right products to sell, the right sales pitch, and so on. If you don't have that kind of money to play around with, then your only other option is to build your audience naturally over time. That means creating a blog and then using it to promote yourself through social media to build up a mailing list full of subscribers. Again, you can't expect your conversion rate to be all that high, and you're going to need about 10,000 views daily to make even close to a full-time living. Getting to this point is slow going. You can expect it to take at least a year before you're on 600 visitors a day, and while you accumulate exponential growth at this point, it'll still likely be a few years before you're at 10,000. Oh, and at this point, affiliate marketing is anything but passive. At this stage, you'll be investing huge amounts of time into writing compelling blog that people will want to follow, emailing your subscribers, and managing advertising campaigns. It is very much possible to be highly successful at affiliate marketing. You definitely can earn hundreds of thousands from it, and once you're all set up, the money will come in while you sleep. But it also requires a big upfront investment of time and or money, along with the right know-how and strategy. If it didn't, then everyone would be rich, no one would work for an employer, and the economy would have collapsed. So it's a good thing, really.